literally last as long as you want in bed with any woman, so you can avoid the embarrassment and humiliation of premature ejaculation and start giving your girl multiple penetration orgasms every single time. Now in this first video, I'm going to reveal to you what I call the 3 stamina killers. These are the physical things you're most likely doing wrong if you're coming faster than you want to. In the next video, I'll share with you the mental stamina killers. These are the things that make you worry about coming too soon, either before or during sex. And if you've ever had this problem before, then you already know that when you worry about it too much, it usually ends up happening. Also, because you're worried and stressed out about it, your girl can feel that, and she can't fully relax and enjoy sex with you either. Then, in the third video, you're going to learn one of my favorite ways to guarantee you last as long as you want the very next time you have sex, while turbocharging her arousal at the same time. So let's get to it. Here are the 3 physical stamina killers that cause premature ejaculation and how to stop them. Number 1 is flexing your PC muscle. This is the muscle that you'd tighten if you really wanted to take a piss right now but had to hold it in. A lot of guys tend to flex this muscle while having sex because they think it makes them feel bigger and harder to the girl. The fact is, she doesn't feel the slightest difference. Especially if you've done your job of foreplay properly, she'll be so physically and emotionally in the moment that it does nothing for her. Us guys, on the other hand, we feel it, and it costs us big time. Flexing the PC muscle puts a high level of pressure on our manhood, and whenever the body feels pressure, the natural reaction is to find the quickest way to release it. In this case, it's through an orgasm. So when you're in bed with a girl, let your PC muscle relax. Now, sometimes it can be hard to do. Sometimes it feels like it just tightens up all by itself and you can't stop it. The way to prevent this from happening is to exercise it. It's really simple. Every so often throughout the day, just squeeze that PC muscle of yours and hold it in for 3 to 5 seconds. This will get you used to flexing and relaxing it on command, and it'll go a long way in how much you can control it when you're in the bedroom. It'll also help strengthen your abdominal muscles, which is obviously a nice bonus. Now, the second thing we do that costs us big in the bedroom is holding our breath. This is an absolute killer. And the worst part is that when it happens, we usually don't even notice it. I mean, how often do you really pay attention to your breathing, especially when you're doing something as pleasurable as sex? But if you think back at the last time you came earlier than you wanted to, you'll begin to remember that you were most likely holding your breath. And just like when you're squeezing the PC muscle, not allowing any air to fill your lungs creates pressure in the body. And what happens next? That's right, the body looks for a quick release. Now, I've bought all kinds of products and programs on how to last longer when I was having this issue, and they all declared breathing as a vital factor of stamina. Many of them mention this, usually in their sales letter, and then they try to sell you on learning their special breathing technique. It's rubbish. We all know there's no special formula for breathing. But many of us have gotten into the habit of breathing more shallow than natural. So just make sure you're taking full, natural, deep breaths, and you'll notice your stamina improve immediately. The third of these 3 physical stamina killers is closing your eyes. Whenever you close your eyes during sex, you've only got one thing to focus on, the sensation in your penis. And the more you focus on it, the more intense it'll get, to the point where you just can't control it anymore. So keep your eyes open and appreciate the beauty that's in front or on top of you. So here's a quick recap. Number 1, let go of your PC muscle during sex and let it relax. Also, get in the habit of flexing your PC muscle every day for just a few seconds. Number 2, remember to breathe fully and deeply. And number 3, keep your eyes open. By just doing these 3 things, I guarantee you'll last much longer starting right now. Now check out video number 2 in this series to learn how to stop thinking and worrying so much in bed.